Good morning, it's Thursday, July 6th, about 6 a.m. Central Time here. Looking at the precious metals overnight, they're mixed. You got gold up $3, 19.30. Silver's down 1 at 23.39. Copper down 3 at 3.74. Platinum up 3 at 9.28. And palladium up 1 at 12.60. A couple things I'm watching here on the silver market. One was the ratio on silver. Last week we were about 85 to 1 on the gold market. Now it's at about 82.5. So silver is catching up on gold. And then also if you look at the other metals too, like platinum and palladium, you had platinum, it got a boost on annual auto sales. 15.7 million versus 15.3. So we're starting to see that pick up in demand. Remember that mining supply has come down quite a bit. Also on the palladium market, you've got a record net spec short against that contract as well. So if they start covering that short cover and rally right there, you're going to see that prices really escalate higher. So we're looking at an entry point on the palladium market. Now, yesterday was a pretty quiet session here until the FOMC minutes. Those were released. After they were released, we saw the 2-year yield continue to climb. We also saw the 10-year yield just within striking distance of 4%. So that caused gold to retreat just a bit after about a 6-day high. So a lot of things you got to watch here today. So you got the ADP payroll number coming out. That's at 7:15 a.m. Central Time. They're expecting 278,000. You got jobless claims coming out as well. You got ISM services. They're expecting 51.1 versus 50.3. And then you got the JOLTS numbers. That's the job openings. It's expected to be 9.93 million. So a couple levels that I'm watching here on gold. Obviously, it's 1950, 1985, 2000, 2008. You got to get through those levels there in order to break out, move to the upside here, make new highs. On the silver market, it's really 2366, 24, and 2450. Those are the three levels of resistance points you're going to watch. So if you're overweighted, you start taking off as soon as you get over to like 24 or 2450. Take a couple positions off, trim those, and then look to add on any kind of correction or weakness. Platinum, you got to get above 945. We get above there, it could make another run for the 1,000 level. And then copper, it's 382. So some actionable ideas. We're probably going to continue to add to more copper. On a small pullback here, we saw Asian stocks, they had sold off in the overnight, had a ripple effect on U.S. equities. You got the S&P down 20, NASDAQ down 80 right now, Russell down about 13. So we're also going to look at adding on palladium like I outlined earlier. And then on gold and silver, we're probably going to start looking at some cheap option plays that expire at the end of the month or a couple weeks out here if this market does want to break out to the upside. But again, a lot of volatility in today's session and then also early in the morning on tomorrow's session. You got any questions? Give me a call, 312-858-7303. Remember, futures option trading involves risk of loss. May not be suitable to all investors. Good luck, good trading.